Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change your wiper blades on a 2015 Subaru Outback or similar model. For the most, process is similar on most cars, guys, but for the sake of the video we're going to go over here. We're going to pop this up like that, okay guys, and over here there is a little cover, especially on these ones, so you just want to pop that up like that. Pop that like this. Yeah, it's a bit hard to do, but just pop that. That'll just come off, and then basically all you have to do then is just get your wipers and just pull it down like that, okay? And then rinse and repeat, same process. So that is how you take your wipers off, and then it's the same. You just pop that in like that, okay? Pop that in, and then you just pop that forward. You'll hear it click, okay? So when you get your cover, just pop that up in there, and then that should pop in like that, and then you just click that back down and put your windscreen wipers down, and that is how you change your windscreen wiper blades, guys. And yeah, it was very hard doing that with one hand, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.